Hi. What's up?
Jag kommer hem till Malmö för att besöka min farbror.
Mi tui Bruselo por instrui Esperanton al infanoi.
I am excited because my company took a non-cash non-recurring provision for impairment of goodwill. And now we'll have lower amortization expense and deferred tax assets in the future.
Doesn't anyone speak English here?
Do you ever feel lost and confused when your coworkers, your friends, or random people you meet at the airport start spewing financial jargon that you can't understand? Well, I'm here to help. I'm Professor Brian Bushee from the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania. My course, An Introduction to Financial Accounting, will help you become fluent in accounting, the language of business. Every company and organization reports their performance and evaluates their employees using numbers generated by the accounting system, such as earnings and sales. If you ever expect to be in a position where you have to use financial information, you simply must improve your literacy in accounting in order to make good, informed decisions. I like the language metaphor because learning accounting is just like learning a foreign language, except you don't have to figure out how to pronounce umlauts or accent aigu. However, we still have to learn rules and grammar like the accounting identity. We also have to build a lot of vocabulary, including learning about asset, liability, owner's equity, revenue, and expense accounts. We will learn to write in this language using T accounts and journal entries, and we will discuss creative writing, in which the accrual process allows accountants to record transactions even when there's no cash involved. Finally, we'll cover financial statements, which are the books written in the accounting language. After we get a handle on the basics, we will go in depth on topics such as revenues, expenses, and cash flows, receivables and inventory, long-lived assets, liabilities and long-term debt, taxes, and shareholders' equity. We will also practice analysis skills such as ratio analysis and how to read an annual report. By the end of the course, you should be able to pick up any company's financial statements and successfully navigate your way through them. This course won't be easy as it's based on the first-year course taught to MBA students at the Wharton School, but I will guide you through the material with a series of video lectures during which we will pause often to have you answer questions to make sure you're following the material. We will have weekly homeworks to reinforce the material and 2 exams to make sure that you have sufficient mastery of the accounting language. Now, results may vary, but with a good amount of effort on both your part and my part, we can change the end of that opening scene to this.
And now we'll have lower amortization expense and deferred tax assets in the future.
That's silly. It only means that you overpaid for an acquisition. And besides, goodwill is not amortized, and even if it were, your EBITDA and free cash flow would not be affected anyway.
Do either of you speak accounting?